Nima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today I'm going to be sharing with you a mini haul. So this is not just a makeup haul, this is a makeup, jewelry and also some clothing haul. It's a very mini haul. So yeah, if you're interested in this video then please keep on watching, but before that don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product are these. So I got these from Sugar Cosmetics. So let me show you. First is this beautiful bag, and this is like a complimentary bag with the kit. So basically I ordered their 1200 or I think 1300 की ये kit थी proper, and ये पूरा combo था 1500 का. So in this I got first of all this plush sanitary pads. So these are the plush sanitary napkin. These are paraben free, chlorine free, fragrance free, and this comes with one highlight flow pad, one heavy flow pad and one panty liner. So this is the first thing which was there in the pack. This is the travel pack. This is not Sugar, this is from Plush. I don't know ये कैसे आया इसमें. The second thing which I got is the Sugar Wingman waterproof micro liner. I haven't tried it, I haven't opened it. I will definitely let you guys know once I will use this product. अभी के लिए I don't know ये कैसा है. Let me open it. This product is for 499 rupees. And let us see कैसा है. The packaging is really matte. Okay, this is the liner. The tip is very fine. Look, seems really good. So this is more like a sketch pen. So this is the first product. Second thing which comes in this kit is this Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kajal. This kajal is also for rupees 499. I got these two sheet masks. The one is the anti-aging mask and the other is the clarifying mask. So these two masks are also in this kit. And the last product from this kit which I was most excited is this. So this is the Sugar Cosmetics face palette. This is in the shade 02 and this is the palette. I have used this palette recently and I love it. It's freaking gorgeous, and this is the product. Palette originally retails for rupees 800, but इस kit में I think this kit is for rupees 1500. So इस 1500 की kit में मुझे ये palette, दो sheet mask, sanitary napkins and kajal and a liner सब मिला है, which I think it's very affordable. Like 1500 में I get so many products. So the next product is this. This is something which I got from Nykaa. This is a Biotic Bio Cucumber Water. I really love this toner, and this is a really refreshing, nice toner for acne prone skin and also for oily skin. This is something which my brother uses as well. So I really like it, and this one is for rupees 175 and I got it for 175 only. The product which I got from Nykaa is this. This is the Batiste dry shampoo. I ran out of all my dry shampoo, so I had to get one for me, and this one is for rupees I think 695 I believe, but I got it for like 600 or 550. So this is the dry shampoo. I have these 5 Milani Cosmetic lipsticks. So these lipsticks are sent to me by Milani Cosmetics, and I haven't tried them. I will definitely gonna review them on my Insta. So मैं अभी इसे swatch नहीं करूँगी. मैं आपको Insta पे इसके बारे में जानना है. You need to check out my Instagram because I will be sharing the lip swatches there. And let me tell you, these crayons are beautiful. I have tried one of these and that one is really pretty. Next are two products which I got from Amazon. So first are these brushes. So these brushes are for rupees 100. Yes, you heard it right. I got these brushes because these were really affordable and I was looking for some makeup brushes. These seems really good. इसके थोड़े से hair मुझे trim करने पड़ेंगे, but in all I think the quality is not bad. For 100 rupees I'm getting like 4 brushes. I will definitely going to try them and will let you guys know whether they work or not. And the last thing which I got from Amazon is this Gillette Winners refills, because I ran out of my refills also. So I need to get one for me. This pack is for 300 rupees and I believe I got it for 250. ज़्यादा ऑफ नहीं था इस पे, बट आई रियली नीडेड, सो मैंने इसे ज़रूर ले लिया और मैंने अमेजोन से लिया. इट्स अ वेरी रैंडम हॉल बिकॉज मैंने हर साइट से कुछ कुछ थोड़ा बहुत लिया है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम क्वीन बी. दिस इज देयर like a necklace, bridal necklace set. I got this because I have to film like Indian videos also, and I don't have any bridal set which comes with a necklace, earrings and a tikka, so that's why I got this. This one I think is for 700 rupees. It's pretty affordable, and this is how it looks. I got in the color green, so this is the set. I haven't tried it, I just got it yesterday. And this is the Mang tikka. The tikka is really pretty. So this is the thing. I'm really waiting to create looks using this jewelry. I am very fond of Indian jewelries, so I'm very excited for it. The last are these two lowers which I got from Ajio. So first lower is this. This is very soft cotton lower, and this one is for like 500 rupees, and I got it like for 450 I believe. Well, this is in purple color and it's really good. Affordable bhi bahut hai. And the second lower is this. This is more of a jogger, and it has like this lot of detailing in also, and it's very comfortable, like very very comfortable. It's a bit loose to me, but it's very comfortable. I really like comfy clothes, like super comfy and super loose clothes at home, so these two are perfect for me. So this one is for like 500 and this one is like for 450. Pretty affordable considering कि ये अच्छी क्वालिटी के हैं. Pretty much these are the products I recently got, and I thought let's share a quick haul with you guys. Also I got some products for my giveaway. So अगर आपने giveaway वाला वीडियो चेक नहीं करा है, go check it. I'm not gonna incorporate any giveaway product in this video. So pretty much that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.